Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Seat Leon Xcellence Lux. This car comes with a 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 189 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and this is a 2-owner vehicle having covered just over 26,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic midnight black and looks in great condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the Xcellence Lux, the car comes with a high list of features which include the leather seats, and the front seats are also heated. There's two cup holders and a armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror which controls which are folding, and also the 4 window switches. For a hatchback you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents in the centre there as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor you also have some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128 point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.